I made a what's it? Like you can use flywheel or crankshaft bolt holder. I don't have any examples with me because I have sold that car, but so it's 190 mils between each bolt, 15 mil bolt hole here for it to swing on. The overall length 600 mils, 10 millimeter holes and 6 mil bolts because that's a the crankshaft wheel. Can't think of the name off the top of my head now. To hold that, and yeah, it was really easy. And yeah, I looked online and it was a lot of money just to buy it. So all it was overall like 800 mils, a little bit over 800 mils long, and I just cut a section off and drilled a hole, put a big bolt in, and the reason they're 10 mils is because you can change those bolts out and just bolt a nut up on the end to make it take up the slack to lock it in place, and you can just screw it into whatever you're working on to remove it. Yeah.